Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. We haven't shown you magazine reviews for a long time and I personally really missed it. Finally, we have Showdetails magazine with new collections from famous modern designers. So what to expect from this video? In today's new video we will tell you which colors are the most relevant this winter and which trends from past years have returned to the catwalks. This issue includes collections of different European designers. We put Paris-London magazine aside and we start to look through Milan and New York. The first thing we see in front of us is red. We need the reds now. This is the color of victory and I'm really enjoy wearing it. Please write in the comments section how do you feel about red. Maybe you love it or afraid it. There are a lot of cardigans here, which I honestly do not like very much, but apparently once I have to fall in love with this fashion. Woolen cardigans turned into the skirt. It looks very cool. Please pay attention to it. And also belts over jackets. This is so cool. I really like how it looks like. Most of all, I like this page. Why? Plain white pantsuit, shirt and turtleneck. This is an outfit from my youth. Everything is simple but very beautiful. The dress looks so gorgeous. Red again, dress from Yves Saint Laurent. Each of you can sew this dress, and every time you look at different magazines, you need to see which of these outfits you can sew for yourself. It is really important. And here is the main page of this magazine. This woman is beautiful. She's not afraid of anything. She's wearing whatever she likes. White pants, turquoise coat with a bright lining. Poncho, very beautiful. If all the ladies of this age would dress like that, it will be great. And we hear from everywhere that women with full hips cannot wear colored clothes. But the Italians are not afraid of anything, and we must follow their example. On this page, I love how camel looks with the pink. Great combination of two colors. Again, my favorite page. I have my Chanel jumpsuit and I wear it with white boots. And when I saw this page in the magazine, I was delighted. This is so similar to my Chanel outfit. See how cool white shoes look. I'm writing that I have completed the review here, and in the next reviews we will start from here. I hope that you will take some of these winter trends into your wardrobe. I definitely will. That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!